students. Hope you all are good and doing well at your home. Myself Diksha Rai. This is the subject teacher of General Knowledge from LPM Public School, which is situated in Kola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So my dear students, as you know very well, in this video today we are going to revise chapter number 1st, 2nd and 3rd from your general knowledge book, and the name of chapter is that food of animals, can you identify me, and aquatic animals. So my dear students, first what will we do? First we will discuss about this chapter, and the chapter name is that food of animals. So do you know that food is important or not for all of you? Food is very important for all of you. So now let's start our chapter. As you can see, match the following with the food they eat. Number first, elephant. Number second, lion. And number third, snake. Number 4, rabbit. Number 5th, giraffe. And number 6, anteater. So my first we are going to discuss about the all animals, that is elephants, lion, snake, rabbit, giraffe and anteater. So do you know that what is an animal? Elephant. Elephant is largest living land animal, characterized by its long trunk and nose, columnar legs and huge head with tempered glands and wide flat ears. Elephants eat grasses, shrubs and bark and fruits. And the favorite food of animal is that sugarcane. That's why you can match elephant with the sugarcane. Number first, D. Now I am going to again revise some amazing facts about elephant. Elephant is the largest living land animal, characterized by its long trunk and nose, columnar legs and huge head with the tempered glands and wide flat ears. Elephants eat grasses, shrubs, bark, fruits, etc. And the favorite food of elephant is that sugarcane, and the spelling of sugarcane is that SUGARCANE. Now we will come number 2nd, and this is lion. So now first we will discuss about some amazing facts about lion. The lion is a large mammal of the Felis cat family. Some large males weigh over 250 kg. Today, wild lions in Sub-Saharan Africa and in Asia, lions eat flesh of animals. And lion is a carnivorous animal. Do you know that what is herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous? So first we will discuss about what is herbivorous. Animals that eat only plants, fruits and all is called herbivorous. And what is carnivorous? Animals that eat the flesh of the other animals is called carnivorous, and lion is the carnivorous animal. Now we will come point number 3rd, that is snake. So now we will firstly discuss about some amazing fact about snake. Snakes are reptiles. They are part of the order Squamata. They are carnivorous with the long narrow bodies and no legs. Snakes eat rat. Now I'm going to again revise this amazing facts about snake. Snake are reptiles. They are part of the order Squamata. They are carnivorous with long narrow bodies and no legs. Snakes eat rat. So the favorite food of a snake is that rat. That's why we will match snake with the E, option number E, that is rat, and the spelling of rat is that R-A-T. So now we are going to discuss about point number 4, and that is rabbit. Now we will discuss about some amazing fact about rabbit. Rabbit are small mammals that are grouped under the family Leopardus, which is a Latin word that means resembling hares. Rabbits are herbivorous. Rabbits eat only plant, grass and all. That's it. That's why we can say that rabbit is a herbivorous animal. Now I am going to again revise some amazing fact about rabbit. That rabbit are small mammals that grouped under the family Leopardus, which is a Latin word that means resembling hares. Rabbit are herbivorous. That's why we will match a rabbit with the food of carrot, and the favorite food of rabbit is that carrot, and the spelling of carrot is that CARROT. So now we will come point number 5, and that is giraffe. As you can see, we will match giraffe with the tree. So now we will discuss about some amazing fact about giraffe. Giraffe are the world's tallest mammals. Thanks to their towering legs and long necks, a giraffe's legs alone are taller than many humans, about 6 feet. Giraffe eat a variety of fresh acacia leaves, and the favorite food of giraffe is that acacia leaves trees. So now we will match a giraffe with the tree, and the spelling of giraffe is that GIRAFFE. Now we will come point number 6, and that is anteater. And there are some amazing fact about anteater. Anteater is a common name for the 4 extant mammal with a long nose and tongue with its arms. I am going to again revise this important topic. Anteater is a common name for the 4 extant mammal with the long nose and tongue that eats ants. That's why we will match an anteater with option number F, and the spelling of anteater is that, as you can see on your page, ANTEATER. So now from this topic your chapter has completed, and now we are going to discuss about chapter number 2, that is, can you identify me? Can you identify me? Write the names of the animals with the help of the clues given in the help kit. Point number 1, I have strips like a tiger, but I look like a horse. Can you identify me? And this is zebra. What is the spelling of zebra? ZEBRA. I have strips like a tiger. मेरे पास धारियाँ होती हैं किसके जैसे? टाइगर के जैसे. बट आई लुक लाइक अ हॉर्स, लेकिन मैं दिखता हूँ घोड़े के जैसे. कैन यू आइडेंटिफाई मी? क्या तुम मुझे पहचान सकते हो? क्या आप मुझे पहचान सकते हैं? तो बेटा ये एनिमल ज़ेब्रा होते हैं, एंड द स्पेलिंग ऑफ ज़ेब्रा इज ZEBRA. नाउ वी विल कम पॉइंट नंबर 2. I sleep during the day and hunt at night. I fly with the noise. Tell me, who am I? I sleep during the day. मैं दिन के दौरान सोता हूँ. And hunt at night, और रात में शिकार करता हूँ. I fly with the noise. मैं शोर करते हुए उड़ता हूँ शोर के साथ. Tell me, बताइए मुझे, who am I, मैं कौन हूँ? And this is owl, and the spelling of owl is that OWL. Now we will come point number 3. I have strips on my body and whiskers on my face. My skin is yellow and I belong to the family of cats. I am dash. I have strips. इस एनिमल्स के पास भी धारियाँ होती हैं ऑन माई बॉडी, मेरे शरीर पे, एंड विस्कर्स ऑन माई फेस, और मेरे फेस पे विस्कर्स होते हैं मेरे मुंह पे. माई स्किन इज़ येलो, मेरी त्वचा का रंग जो है वो पीला है, और मैं बिल्लियों के परिवार से संबंध रखता हूँ. बताइए मैं कौन हूँ? और ये एनिमल है टाइगर, और टाइगर की स्पेलिंग होती है TIGER. एंड नाउ we will come point number 4. I am a naughty animal. I live on trees. My favorite food is banana. I am a dash. I am a naughty animal. मैं एक शरारती जानवर हूँ. I live on trees. मैं पेड़ों पे रहता हूँ. My favorite food is banana. और मेरा पसंदीदा भोजन है केला. I am a dash. और मैं हूँ monkey. And the spelling of monkey is that MONKEY. We will come point number 5. I am a green colored bird with a curved beak. मैं एक हरे रंग की चिड़िया हूँ. With a curved beak, और मेरी जो चोंच है वो झुकी हुई होती है. I can speak your language, और मैं आपकी भाषा बोल सकता हूँ. If you train me well, अगर आप मुझे अच्छी तरीके से सिखाएंगे. I am a dash and this is parrot. Now we will come point number 6. I have a hump on my back. Few of my family members, I have 2 humps also. I am called the sheep of the desert. I am a dash, and this is camel. Now we will come point number 7. I am the largest and the heaviest creature on the earth. मैं बहुत ही विशाल और बहुत ही भारी प्राणी हूँ इस धरती पे. My average weight is about 120 kgs. I am about 30 meters long. I am a dash. मैं एक बहुत ही विशाल और भारी प्राणी हूँ इस पृथ्वी पे, और मेरा औसतन वजन जो है वो 1,20,000 किलो के लगभग आसपास है. एंड आई एम अबाउट 30 मीटर लॉन्ग, और मैं लगभग 30 मीटर लंबा हूँ. आई एम अ डैश. बताइए मैं कौन हूँ? एंड दिस इज़ व्हेल, एंड द स्पेलिंग ऑफ व्हेल इज़ दैट WHALE. एंड नाउ we will come point number 8. Everyone gets scared when I roar. I am called the king of the jungle. I am. Who is the king of jungle? The king of jungle is that lion. You all of you know very well. Everyone gets scared. सारे लोग डर जाते हैं when I am roar, जब मैं गरजता हूँ. I am called, और मुझे बुलाया जाता है the king of the jungle, जंगल का राजा. बताइए मैं कौन हूँ? और वो है lion, और लायन की स्पेलिंग होती है LION. नाउ दिस इज द चैप्टर नंबर 3. वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट टुमारो, and from this topic your chapter has complete chapter number 1 and chapter number 2, and I will send you the PDF of chapter number 1. Write some amazing fact about elephant, lion, snake, rabbit, giraffe and anteater. You will write the whole note about these animals in your PC copy. When your school will reopen, I will check your PC.